Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we off do not disturb in our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to off your do not disturb settings, so when you can off it. And friends, now let's see how to off do not disturb in our Redmi phone. Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video, friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. Then first of all we will on our phone setting to off do not disturb. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting. Friends, click on guys sound and vibration setting guys. Again scroll guys, you can see your sound setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see this regular and silent, so click on regular setting guys, tap here. Friends, your do not disturb mode will off in your Redmi phone. So guys, your do not disturb will off in your Redmi phone and you can use your phone volume setting without any problem. So like that guys, you can off your do not disturb in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.